Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time for String Tech, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. John was by yesterday to pick up his Christian Drury guitar made in New Zealand, the handmade, and he also picked up that overhead Journey guitar with the breakdown neck joint. After watching my video on the Clarence White D-28 guitar, John decided to leave off his D-28 and get the full treatment on that with the compensated nut and compensated bridge saddle. Speaking of which, this is the last of this batch of compensated nut and saddle blanks. So everyone who contacted me about the upcoming Elmira Vintage Guitar Show, which is next Saturday, I have those packages for you. You can pick them up at the show. I know the last time when we got to the end of the batch, there was a bit of panic. I only do these up a couple of times a year because between the cost of a couple of very expensive saw blades and dedicated cutters and the milling charges and the actual price of the Corian, I dish out about $3,000 to make this happen. So I only do it a couple of times a year. I will be doing another batch in September. So if you don't get them this time around, you can get them in September. Now the other guitar is a spectacular Strat that James dropped off. I've done a few guitars now for James, and this is in also for a compensated nut and a setup 10-46 to float. James actually gave him the wood in which to make this neck. So obviously this is seriously quarter sawn, highly flame maple. And this is the back of this neck. Well, that's it for now. I'm going to capture both these guitars. Well, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up on those compensated nut blanks. Let me know, please, in advance if you're going to be picking yours up at the show. I'll have them packed up with your name on them, ready to go. Cheers.